You guys, hair day. No.
Ashy tone.
This is the lace.
What's up, guys? Welcome to another hair vlog where we're at the hair salon. So this hair is from West Kiss Hair, and you guys know I love a good blonde. So I got this unit with blonde highlights, and I'm excited to put her on. I haven't done this color before, like this little highlight look, and you're gonna see once we put this on. I was like, oh, this curtain bang trend, like, let's do it. I've been loving the curtain bangs, like that full little bang, you know. So we're gonna cut some layers into this unit and do that. This unit also came with a band on the back already attached on. Okay, they knew what the girls needed. So this is just what the wig looks like being fresh put on my head. We had just bleached the knots on this unit. As you can see, the hairline does look good. It's gonna look like it's flawless, and my hairstylist is sewing down my unit. I like to get my unit sewed down in the back, make sure that extra secureness, and she's gonna wipe off my hairline. This day I went to Dunkin' Donuts and child, I was having a smoothie. But okay, so we're putting the glue on my hair. Glue, 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 glue. This process takes a little minute. I'm gonna keep in the duration of this process because, girl, you gotta let this sit on. You gotta let this white turn to clear, you know, almost not there before you know, attach that lace down there. You see how it's slowly going away? The transparentness is leaving. That means it's ready to go. Don't touch it until it's ready to go.
Now I'm paid by the sentence, taking my time with it. Baby, give me yours, so I could get them butterflies trapped in your rib cage. Let me know we on the same page. Give me with a text, voice note, or an emoji. Waiting all day for your name on the ID. So if you want it, tap in. I think that I know somewhere that we could go to crash it, and we could keep the pace on slow jam. Don't leave me on red. Can we go back where we first began? No plans, all we had was the moment. Just text, I know it's a toss-up, but I hate the fact that we lost touch, yeah. The Uber pulling up on call. Tell me, is you trying to fall through? I'ma leave it up to you. What you wanna do?
And now our lace is finally melted on. We're gonna go ahead and cut this lace off, give us a clean part. And we're cutting this lace in 3 parts, and we're gonna be using a blade to get that lace off and make it lay really, really, really flat. Also, this is transparent lace, and we're gonna be putting powder on the lace to match our skin, so you'll see that in here. But enjoy this hair vlog.
Baby, I ain't buying no more dreams, so what you selling? My pockets got dry from the bullshit, but if you so for real, you could get it wet, but not too much. Don't wanna drown a flame, keep that fire lit. Breathe life into it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in heat? If you get me till we 6 feet under stress, or if it's all sweet, just hold me down deep. We won't burn out here with me. We could be always in heat. baby. Ignite my desire for your loving. Slow burn till time for combustion. Baby, I'ma need a R&B love from the 90s. Tell me how you would die without me. Spin, move in the rain, drop to your knees. Passion on Venus, never kill the flame, keep that fire lit. Show me why you deserve it. Now we own my place, always stays true. I won't give my body to nobody new. Can you believe that we could be forever in here?
All right, we're now at the part that I'm about to ask for these curtain bangs. She was like, do you want a cut? I'm like, these bangs, like, let's cut it up. Let's, you know, give us some volume. And she was like, okay, I got you, girl. This is my stylist, Natasha. She works at Foreign Styles. She's the owner of Foreign Styles here in Atlanta, Georgia. Love her salon. She has stylists that also work there. But, you know, I get my girl, Natasha, to touch this hair and give me some curls and some zoots and some whatever. But lots of stylists that are always available, whether you have natural hair or whatever type of hair in the salon. So I love this salon, Foreign Styles. She's on Instagram.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own.
Alright guys, we are now finished styling our 180 density black with honey blonde highlights body wave unit lace front from West Kiss Hair. You guys, this unit turned out so beautiful. Cut some layers into this 24 inch. So this is what 24 inches looks like with those layers cut in. And I absolutely love those layers at the front, these curtain bangs. You know, we've been doing layers, now they're called curtain bangs, but the curtain bangs are banging this summer and it just like keeps it out of your face. I definitely recommend getting these like kind of elastic rollers for those top front pieces. You're definitely going to need that. And how you'll touch up and keep that curtain bang look is by curling it. The curling iron we're using is the T3 curling iron, the best one in the game. Absolutely love it. I have it at home. My hairstylists have it. I have it. So these top pieces, once we have those layers, and as you see, she's going back in and touching up those layers for that curtain bang look. But get those rollers because when you curl it, you're going to want to put it in for that curtain bang look. Oh my God, these highlights with these layers is it. Let me know in the comments what you feel about this wig. I give her a 10 out of 10. I didn't know what I was going to look like with it on, but I'm loving it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Back in that bag again. Whoa, yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. Back in that, yeah.